Will it be a smooth transition or not? That's the big question. This is being touted as the biggest economic reform since the 1991 liberalization, and that's exactly the reason why there's a lot of hope. A hope that the GST is going to pump prime the economy. It is going to put an end to a lot of multiple taxes. Remember, 70% traders have already migrated to the GSTN network, and the government has opened the registrations to ensure that the entire economy can be brought under the ambit of the GSTN, and which is why the GSTN network is very important. The government is going an extra mile. A lot of outreach programs are being done to ensure a lot of traders, in fact the existing ones and the new ones, can be a part of the GSTN network. The call centers have gone live, and the government has roped in the best of the lot. They've roped in companies like Infosys and Tech Mahindra to ensure a step-by-step guidance is given not only to the taxpayers but also the tax officials. Almost 200 trained professionals will give assistance to the taxpayer as to how they should log on to the GSTN network and how they should go ahead and file their returns. So yes, this exercise is very important, and so is the GSTN network, which is capable of handling almost 2.4 billion transactions every month. So in terms of scale, there is a lot of outreach efforts that the government is doing at this point of time. However, there are certain concerns that are being raised by various traders. Traders want some sort of a transition period in the rest of FY18. Apart from that, they want relief from penal provisions. Whether the government will go ahead, bite the bullet with respect to those demands or not, that's still something that we're watching out for. But clarity with respect to input tax credit, with respect to destocking of issues, the change in billing softwares that has to be done, those are the key issues that the traders are still grappling with. But only 4 days to go for the 1st of July deadline, and the government believes perhaps now GST is a reform whose time perhaps has come.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.